Today we are placing this 2-switch, aka 2-gang, 2-way light socket. Hi guys! Turning our house into our home. This will be a step-by-step guide on how to replace yours with either a modern one or just replacing it if yours is gone faulty. And remember, DIY repairs should only be carried out if you're confident and competent in doing these tasks yourself. If not, please seek professional advice and help, and an electrician will be happy to sort this for you. So to get started, first off, you want to make sure you isolate your electricity, either for this ring, your downstairs lighting ring, or just to be safe, you can turn off the whole power going to the property. So for today's choice, we've got a pen tester, our electrical screwdrivers, which are safety rated, so if you get in a shop, some wire snips, standing blade just to cut off any residue around the light, plaster, wallpaper, etc. And this is the light we're going for today. The light switch is a BG British General Evolve from their Evolve range, and it is a, so we've gone for black large buttons with like a chrome, black chrome mirror outline. So yeah, should look quite nice once all the fingerprints are off and it's fitted. This also matches our plug socket, which I've already fitted. So yeah, let's get this installed. So as you can see, it's quite stuck on there, so we have to get our blade and cut around. Try not to damage any wallpaper in. So you get your two cons, your L1, L2s, your earths from the back box. One should have been earthed to it, put some metal frame, but it hasn't been. So yeah, and for reference, I just like to take a picture before I start taking any wires out, just so I know if I have any issues I can refer back to. You can also, for reference, you could start by taking a cable out of your old, putting it straight into your new, just so you don't get lost along the way. So with this one, I've had to remove the buttons itself and just get it in line. But also, I will be installing one of these plates, like so. So there's the lights around. So just like so. Let's get it screwed in. So you just want to do it up slightly, just level off anything, make sure sitting nice and flush before you do the final tightening. And I'd say that is looking spot on. Oh. And you just want to do your final tightening. And just like that, looks lovely. So these always come with a plastic protective film on it. You just want to pull that off first. Get any other little loose bits which are stuck. Okay, so now I need to get these buttons back on. Just like so. Clip back into place. Nope, and on this one. Okay. And you just want to finish off with your trim piece, what goes on. Should just clip on. Once you hear the clicks. And there we go. Now you just want to turn on your light ring via the power switch. And once your power is safely switched back on, you just want to give it a try. And there you have it. How to safely install a new light switch. My next job will be changing that light over to a new modern LED fitting. So stay tuned for that one. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure to like, comment and share. And of course subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Again, for watching guys, very much appreciated. Take care.